This is the most sensitive moment. The transportation operation begins.
A banknote is not printed all at once. It is built through 6 distinct security layers.
The first layer, simultaneous offset printing. This is the very foundation of the banknote.
Rainbow printing technology creates natural color transitions. These are impossible for a photocopier to replicate.
Under 80 tons of pressure, the paper is forced to deform. This picks up ink from the engraved grooves.
The raised intaglio lines at the banknote edge help visually impaired people. They can recognize the denomination immediately. Intaglio printing also creates a latent image. It is only visible when the banknote is tilted to eye level.
The second layer, intaglio. This is the heart of the currency printing process. Special thick ink is pressed into the deep engraved grooves on the plate.
Complex guilloche patterns are printed simultaneously on both sides. This ensures absolute image alignment.
Each sheet undergoes rigorous scrutiny. Any imperfection means immediate rejection.
Microprinting, optically variable inks, and hidden patterns are added, making each note a masterpiece of security.
After inspection, the approved currency sheets enter the final shaping stage.
A laser-guided system ensures the blade descends with absolute precision, separating each banknote.
From large sheets, we now have individual rupee notes.
This is the see-through register technique. When backlit, the front and back patterns align 100%. The raised intaglio lines at the banknote edge help visually impaired people. They can recognize the denomination immediately. Intaglio printing also creates a latent image. It is only visible when the banknote is tilted to eye level.
The third layer, optical variable ink, or OVI. This is one of the most expensive materials on the planet. This ink is silk-screened or specially printed onto the denomination number.
Viewed directly, it appears green. Tilt it, and it transforms into blue. No color printer can replicate this effect.
Nanocrystals within the ink bend light according to quantum physics.
The fourth layer, letterpress.
This identifies each individual banknote.
Unlike digital printing, letterpress numbering leaves a slight indentation on the paper's surface.
A characteristic feature of the rupee, the font size of the numbers gradually increases. This is a trap for counterfeiters.
2 serial numbers in 2 different locations, printed with 2 distinct ink colors to increase complexity.
Each serial number is activated in the banking system immediately after printing. The fifth layer, the invisible world, only revealed under black light.
Fluorescent ink is overprinted onto seemingly empty areas. Not just ink, but random fibers in the paper also dance under ultraviolet rays. If the luminescence does not meet the standard, the banknote is immediately rejected.
The final layer, the protective shield, a transparent varnish.
This coating locks in the ink and protects the paper from sweat and grease. It transforms absorbent paper into a waterproof material, extending its lifespan threefold.
High temperatures fuse the 6 layers into a unified, durable entity.
Less than 0.1 millimeters thick, yet it contains a marvel of printing technology.
Recounted, 100 notes, no more, no less.
A unique identification QR code is assigned to each shipment. The RBI can track where this money package is on the map.